One of my favorite African proverbs says, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. This is super critical because we're all trying to go far. We want to go far in 2020. We want to set a new pace in this decade, to take our families further, to achieve more of our goals, to take our careers further, to increase the satisfaction of our life, the quality of life that we have. And in order to do that, you need someone who's going to hold you accountable. And what I'm talking about is an accountability partner. If you want to go far, you need to find a quality accountability partner. And it also helps if you decide to be a good accountability partner for someone else. So for me personally, I have great friends who really are very ambitious and who hold me accountable to the things that I say. This could be a spouse, this could be a coworker, this could be a good friend, this could be a business partner, someone who is going to hold you accountable. But what's important, some of the important qualities of an accountability partner: you need someone who is not just going to be a yes man or a yes woman. You need someone who is going to be honest with you. You need someone who you can trust with your vision, who's not going to shoot your ideas down, but like I said, who's going to be honest with you and tell you, like, hey, maybe you're slacking off a little bit. Maybe you can go a little harder. Or someone who gives sound counsel. This is important. Someone who gives sound counsel, like who's going to offer you good feedback, who's going to give you good advice, who's going to offer you encouragement, and who's also going to understand that life happens. Sometimes, we think that success goes like this, right? But really, it's more like this. It's more like that. And who's going to be there with you on those dips? Who's going to encourage you in those dips when you say, I want to quit, or when you put your idea down, or you say you want to write that book and you haven't written any pages in the last 4 or 5 days, or the last week, or the last 2 weeks. You need somebody who's going to put that fire under you and say, come on, man, let's get back up on the horse, and let's keep moving forward. Because this year, this decade is about us moving forward. It's about us moving further and us really unlocking our human potential, unlocking the gifts that we have, and really giving those to the world. And an accountability partner is super critical to your success if you're planning on making 2020 your best year and your best decade, the beginning of your best decade.